Today is Wednesday, April 18th, and this is the Morpheus Trading Group Daily Stock Pick video. The first chart for today is PCLN, Priceline.com. Now this is not an actionable setup here. We're just going over what we look at when we identify potential trade setups, and how we go about doing that is seeing where we are in terms of the recent trend. With Priceline, although it broke out from a lengthy base, it has already run up close to 40% here over the past 2 months. So in terms of the current trend, after last week's selling, it looks like it's stalled out here, and we can expect a few weeks of basing action. So if you're a short-term trader and you're looking for Priceline on the upside, and it does break above the 722 level, you really can't expect much more than a move to the prior swing highs. To expect much more than that after a stock's already made a 40% run-up is asking for a bit too much. So keep in mind, after a stock does make a significant run-up, it does need at least 5 weeks of sideways price action to build a solid base to launch the next breakout move. Next up is RHAT, Red Hat. After a strong breakout here at the end of March, the price action has just been chopping around in a fairly tight range here. And what we're looking for is just a few more weeks of consolidation, maybe an eventual touch of this 20-day moving average here. That might coincide with a pullback to the prior swing low. And we look for a break of this downtrend line within the next week or two as a potential buy entry. As for now, it's just something that we're keeping an eye on. And the last setup of the day is another setup that is not actionable right now, but something we are keeping a close watch on, and that is Cost Plus, CPWM. And after a strong gap up here in late March, it has also pulled back in a fairly tight range here, finding support off the 20-day EMA. We'll look for a break of this downtrend line after another week or two of consolidation here to be a potential buy entry, and we might see another pullback into this 20-day moving average here, followed by another move up, and then that would give us a clear buy entry through the 1870 level. There you have it, a few potential setups that we're keeping an eye on. To receive our exact entry, stop, and target prices for the stocks discussed in this video, as well as to see our top-ranked daily picks, sign up for our exclusive newsletter at morpheustrading.com. Thank you for joining us. Good luck with your trading, and we'll see you again with the next Morpheus Trading Group Daily Stock Pick video.